Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I'm here for one day. The sun is rising over the Mekong River, and in this short day I'm gonna show you what you can do and what you shouldn't do in one day.
Despite being a bit rough on the edges, Phnom Penh retains its former charm as a leafy Southeast Asian capital with a nice riverside promenade and numerous Buddhist huts. A large infrastructure catering to tourists makes it easily accessible, and many consider it to be one of the friendliest capitals in Asia. However, widespread poverty can still be seen, as in all Cambodia. Phnom Penh is slowly gaining high-rise buildings, traffic lights, and Western-style shopping malls. Poverty and social issues can clearly be seen by crossing the river, which can be crossed only by ferry. In this 50 minutes ride, you can go in a poorer Cambodia with a richer one far in the horizon.
Like 20 cent, euro cent, I bought this kind of fried potato. I think so, it's sweet potato. Not bad. Now I'm having a coconut, and here they eat the coconuts in a very funny way. I'm going to show you. Let's see.
The beauty that made it the Paris of the East before 1970 is hidden beneath the reality of modern-day Cambodia. The wide boulevards and promenades built by the French are mostly used as parking spaces and market stalls. The Khmer Temple and monuments found here are some of the most stunning examples of Buddhist architecture and art, and Phnom Penh has no shortage of this. Cambodia is a friendly and youthful place that has nothing to do with remote dark chapter in its country's history. The main evidence of this dark past are clear in the Genocide Museum. A school converted into Cambodia's most important prison in 1975, more than 14,000 people were tortured a year before being killed in the killing fields. Only 8 prisoners survived. The museum is easily accessible and a must-see for everyone interested in Cambodian horrific recent past. The infamous school map has been dismantled, although there are still skulls attached to the walls, together with torture tools and disturbing photographs of people dying.
The museum itself doesn't have a lot of artifacts or real evidence of what happened back then, but you can feel there is a very special atmosphere. You can feel the heaviness, you can feel the death.
After the museum, in order to have a taste of local cuisine, I head to the Central Market, in Cambodian called Psar Temai or New Market. It's a 1930s Art Deco covered market near the riverfront. The market is well set out and sells everything from flowers to video games. It has recently been beautifully renovated, and its architecture alone is worth admiring. Furthermore, you can find here most of Cambodia's typical street foods. After some intense 24 hours, I hit the road on the newly built highway Phnom Penh to Sihanoukville, heading to the seaside. However, this is a story for another video, so follow me here on G Production. See you next time.